Be strong, work, for I am with you. Or as some others have translated it, take courage, be strong, and I will be at your side. The words come from Habakkuk, and the situation is that the prophet now turns the people's attention again to the rebuilding of the temple. Back from exile, the walls around Jerusalem have been rebuilt, but the temple is in shambles. He even reaches to the old ones with the question, do you remember the temple in the days of Solomon's glory? The temple that Solomon built. Are you not ashamed to look at what we have? He reaches out to Zerubbabel, the governor. He engages Joshua, not Joshua of the book of Joshua, but Joshua who is now a priest, and says, join together, pull the people together. God will be with you if you find ways to work and live and be together and rebuild the focus of your faith, the center of your faith. In those days it was the temple, but what's the center of your faith, and how is it faring just now? Have you shored up the walls? Maybe even laid a foundation? Does it need your attention? Be strong, be courageous. Find the time. Work, because it takes some effort. Rebuild the center from which all blessing flows. And if you choose to do that, when you choose to do that, know that God is with you. Know that God is at your side. This has Ben Moore from West Highlands United Methodist Church with a thought for your day, just another way of reaching out. Thank you.